Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how to make the perfect button. So let's get started. First, you're going to start by painting your sprite and now make a rectangle with the outline 10 any fill you want. Now you're just going to make some points near the corners. Okay, so now you're going to delete the corners. And now you have these rounded edges. Now, if you don't like these edges, you can just define them whatever you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna add text. Let's just write button. Okay, now we have this. Now let's create a duplicate. Yep, you have this. Now the duplicate is gonna be a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna make the text white and the outline white as well. Here we go. Now let's just make the text white. Okay, now we have these two costumes. Let's start with the code. Start by deleting this. Okay, so let's start with the code. So we're going to calculate forever if we're going to check if it's touching the mouse pointer, and if it's touching the mouse pointer, then it set size to get a minus operator, 400 minus size and divided by 2. Yep, now we have this set size to this. And now L set size to 300 minus size divided by 2. You can always change the amounts to whatever you like. Experiment with this. But I like it with 400 and 300. Yeah. I think I like it better with 350 and 300, so I'm going to stick with that. Now you're gonna go to the operators and get a 90 plus sin of timer multiplied by 150 multiplied by 5. And if it's touching the mouse pointer, we're gonna point in direction. And you can experiment with this too. We can change the multiplication factor by 2. Again, experiment. Now you have this cool movement. Okay, so remember those two costumes that we made, the light mode and the dark mode. So forever, if it's not touching the mouse pointer, we're gonna switch costume to costume 1, and if it's touching the mouse pointer, we're gonna switch costume to costume 2. So now you're just gonna duplicate the direction commands and change the 90 by 0, and forever point in direction this, and just set it accordingly. So now you're gonna make it float. So set y to 0 plus sin of timer multiplied by 200 and multiplied by 2. So now I have this. Now to make it look 3D, let's go to the costume editor and just duplicate this box, and I'm just gonna make it gray and go backward. And to just set it accordingly. Here we go. Now I'll do the same with the second costume. And now you have this. I love this. This has to be in your backpack. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't hesitate to comment. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.